know the answer to this, but I'm going to ask the question anyway. How would you like a flat stomach and a reshaped face? There are plenty of trendy hacks on social media, but I guess the question, Dr. Knight, is do they work? So let's bring in Dr. Matthew Knight. He's here to separate health from hype. He is the president of Knight Dermatology Institute. He's also a member of the Florida Board of Medicine. Hello, friend.
Great to see you.
Good to see you. I love this. We want to start with de-bloating hacks. I'm bloated a little bit right now today. I can't lie.
Yeah.
There's a little bit of bloat going on.
Well, it's so common. That's why people like these hacks.
But especially for women. And the thing is, it's not like you've eaten anything differently. It's not like you've really done anything differently. Number one, why does the bloat happen? And number two, let's talk about these hacks and which ones work.
Right. Well, you'll see this stuff all over social media, like water with lemon or maybe chia seeds.
I do that. I do water with lemon.
Marissa and I, my wife does that. She loves it with warm water.
Yeah, me too.
And so this is a healthy habit. There's nothing wrong with this. Drinking more water is good. Some of these teas may be a little iffy. There's some with like laxatives in them and stuff that people take. But overall, these things are fine to do because bloating is such a problem. The thing that's really interesting is something we talk about almost every week is how social media portrays this. So it's not like, here's this water that you're going to take and be less bloated.
What is in that, by the way?
It's chia seeds.
Okay.
I overdid it a little bit for TV.
Yeah, there's a lot of chia.
But what you'll see on social media is I did this thing and now I've lost a lot of abdominal fat.
Okay.
Right? Or I've fixed my gut problems by doing this. And so social media loves to take things that are legit and then twist them around and then try to sell you stuff. Because a lot of these stacks and supplement ideas are things that are monetized.
Yeah.
Somebody's trying to sell it to you.
So the legit part of it is, yes, you can do warm water with lemon, that kind of thing. Chia seeds help as well?
Yeah, chia seeds are great. I mean, the green juice is another one that people really love. And the reality is, especially for perimenopausal and menopausal women, like 50% of Americans have trouble with GI stuff and constipation, that age group. That's a lot of people. So a lot of folks are looking for a way to do better when it comes to bloating and constipation and those things. And that's totally fine. But you have to just realize that a lot of these social media reels present it like it's going to decrease your belly fat. And that's just not true. Some people, if you have bad enough GI stuff, you need to go see the gastroenterologist, actually.
Yeah, it becomes a little more serious than just drinking some water with lemon. You may have something serious going on.
100% for sure.
Okay,
but this is a quick, easy hack. Plus, drinking more water is always great. Give it a nice score of 4 to 5.
Love it. Okay, I was going to ask you that, and you gave it to me. Let's talk about lymphatic drainage, because a lot of people get a lot of bloating and puffiness in their face. We work their early morning shift, and so we wake up with a whole lot going on there. First, I want to ask what you do, and second, I'll tell you what I do.
Okay. Well, I don't use these a whole lot. Again, bring up Marissa and I, my wife. She loves this stuff.
I love Marissa because she and I are kindred spirits.
Very,
we do
very
the same
similar.
things.
Same kind of routine. Especially before like an important event, or if you're going to shoot an Instagram reel or something, and you want to decrease some puffiness in your face. These kind of things are fine, and you'll see these all over the internet.
I have this, the gua sha.
The gua sha.
I've got that.
Yeah,
Yes.
I was trying not to butcher what this is called. This is like gua sha. Right? But people love this, and it can help decrease some bloating, because what you're really doing is pushing extracellular fluid down your lymphatic channels. So you're pushing it into your neck and back into your circulatory system. And so again, I have nothing wrong with this, but on social media, you'll see this framed up as a way to change your jawline and have this snatched jaw appearance. And really, if you go to TikTok, you'll see it saying that it can replace traditional plastic surgery or fillers and things, which it cannot do. Again, the idea is something that's legit, there's nothing wrong with it, but it's a temporary fix that feels good, gets twisted around on social media into something that's like replacing fillers, which you can't do.
So gua sha, yes, you can use it, but just know that it's going to be a temporary thing. I love these because these you get these cold. And and they definitely help with making your face less puffy.
Yes, I was messing. There it goes. I was messing around with this yesterday. Right out of the fridge.
I love it.
Feels really great. And I think it does have an effect, but it won't give you that chiseled jawline like you'll see on social media. So give this a nice score of 4 to 5. Nothing wrong with this stuff. I think people really like it. It's a great ritual. But it's only temporary, maybe a couple hours, and it's not going to give you this chiseled jawline.
So I just grab 2 ice cubes out the freezer. I just run it along my face for 2 or 3 minutes in the morning when I wake up.
Boom.
And it's free.
Absolutely.
Love it.
And these aren't expensive either. So
no, they're not. They're cheap. I have everything you have in your hand, I have in my refrigerator. Dr. Knight, me and Marissa, we all have it.
All right. Very similarly.
Thank you, friend.
All right.
Good
Thanks
information.
So much. See you soon.
Appreciate you, Dr. Matthew Knight. The time right now is 8:52. Do not go far. There's more Good Day Orlando coming up. Can I take this home?
Oh, yeah.
Thank you.